The following video is intended for general information only. The circumstances of each case are different and must be addressed on a case-by-case basis. The information in this video is specific to the state of Tennessee and is not a substitute for the advice of a lawyer. Also, laws may change and may be different from county to county. Legal Aid of East Tennessee presents the Anytime Attorney, legal information on demand 24/7. This video discusses a renter's guide, 5 things you should do before you move in.
It's important to know your rights and duties as a renter. When looking for an apartment or home to rent, here are 5 things you need to do before you pay rent, make a deposit, or move in. Number 1, ask the landlord to go with you to inspect the property. Number 2, make a list of what is wrong: broken glass, rug burns, stains and tears, nails, holes in the walls, chips in the sink or tub, scratches in doors and woodwork, missing light fixtures, peeling paint, condition of appliances, and if furnished, the condition of furniture. Ask the landlord to sign and date the list. Take pictures that show the condition of the property before you move in, and remember to take pictures when you move out. Taking these steps will help prevent disagreements between you and the landlord over who is responsible for damages. Number 3, ask the landlord about utilities: electricity, water, sewer, and gas. Are any of all utilities included as a fixed amount in the rent? Some landlords will include one utility, but not all. Make sure it is clear who is responsible for paying which utilities. If utilities are not included, you are responsible for ordering utilities and paying any deposits. In either case, make sure utilities are turned on before you move in. Find out how much utilities will cost each month. Ask the landlord for an average monthly cost, or if you know the specific unit number or street address, you can call the utility company and ask them for an estimated cost. If you are paying for utilities, make sure they are in your name. If the landlord is paying, utilities should be included as a fixed amount in the rent you are paying. Number 4, ask the landlord if a security deposit or damage deposit is required. This deposit is used to pay for damages other than normal wear and tear that you may cause to the property. If a deposit is required, be sure to get a receipt that shows the date you paid, the amount you paid, and how you paid it. Also, ask the landlord how your deposit will be returned when you move out of the property. Number 5, ask about repairs and maintenance. When you inspect the property, ask for any needed repairs to be made before you move in. If the landlord agrees to make these repairs, get the agreement in writing, and ask for a date the repairs will be completed. Once you move in, ask in writing for any needed repairs that you expect the landlord to make. If the landlord agrees that you may make repairs in exchange for rent, this agreement should be written, dated, and signed. If you are making repairs, keep copies of all receipts for supplies and materials that you purchased to make the repairs. The bottom line? The landlord is ultimately responsible for doing what is necessary to keep the home in a fit and habitable condition. These have been general questions and answers about renting property. Each case is different, with important issues to be considered. You should talk with an attorney about the specific details of your situation.
This video was produced by Legal Aid of East Tennessee. The information in this video is not a substitute for the advice of a lawyer. Also, laws may change and may be different from county to county and in states other than Tennessee.